What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller. As you can see behind me today, we got one thrift store for you guys, Salvation Army. It is half off day. Now, just to give you guys a little bit of a pretext, half off day at Salvation Army. This one, prior to their media sale, they used to have crazy prices, like $3.99 for Nora Roberts paperbacks, ridiculous prices, but I haven't been here in about a month. A lot of my Salvation Armies have been running all of the media at 99 cents just to get rid of it. Can't imagine why. You're trying to sell Nora Roberts for $4. Nobody's ever going to buy that. I don't know if this one here still has the 99-cent sale. That's if they do, it's still not applicable, right? So I pay 99 cents, I don't pay 50 cents. So a CD, DVD, book will be 99 cents if the sale is still going on. Fingers crossed. Last time I was here, they didn't have much. The shelves were pretty much empty, so I don't know. I have no idea what we're gonna walk into, but if you're interested in making money selling media on Amazon and eBay, join the YouTube channel. $2.99, cheaper than a Happy Meal, way cheaper than a Happy Meal. Happy Meals are expensive. We got weekly Zoom calls. You can hang out with me every single week, ask your questions, private Discord with every piece of information, how to have you making some serious money. I don't know, we'll see how this goes. I kiss my e-yo-yo scanner for good luck. Please, please, please let me make lots of money. I got 4 fat cats to feed. I've been losing weight, but I still could use some Domino's pizza myself, so let's go. Back from the Salvation Army. It's probably a little dark here in the storage unit, but hey, it's pouring rain, there's a hurricane going on, but work needs to be done. So I'm not sure if you guys seen during the walkthrough, there was another lady there scanning books, and so I wasn't sure, in my defense, which way she was working, right? She was kind of like 8 feet into the book section, so I'm not sure if she was working left or working right. So I kind of just hopped in and started scanning, and she was working behind me, which kind of sucks, but she actually had a decent amount of books, and she asked me, you know, what I was doing. And I, of course, asked her, hey, what are you doing, right? Because you guys know me, I'm a people person. So believe it or not, she was just using the Sell Back Your Book app and scanning books to sell them to sell back your book. And I've always thought about doing a video literally just doing that, so like you don't have to worry about having an Amazon account, dealing with all the headaches that come with having an Amazon account sometimes. And so she was just curious, so I said, hey, you know, like, why don't we scan one? It was one that she had in her cart, and she said, oh, Sell Back Your Book's gonna give me $5 for this book. And I scanned it in Scoutly, and it's like a $22 profit book, right? So I did my best to convince her. I gave her the YouTube channel name, so if you're watching this, it was nice meeting you. And hopefully you do take the plunge and start selling on Amazon, so you can get all of the money instead of letting Sell Back Your Book get all of the money. There's nothing wrong with that business model. Like I said, I even thought about doing a video about it. You don't even need to have an Amazon seller account. You literally just scan for wholesale. But yeah, she wound up, I think she got around 10, maybe even more than 10 books. And as you can see, I also did pretty well. So this was everything. You seen they still had the 99-cent sale going on. They can't get rid of the media. There's opportunity out there. You have to be out there putting in the work, putting in the time. And then you can come across kind of like these hauls, right? I spent $75, so it's probably around like 60-ish items, 65 because of tax. But everything was 99 cents. So everything you see that we're gonna scan here, I'm gonna show you every single one so you guys can see how crazy I am when it comes to taking risks, sending in fast movers, and just kind of, I don't know, everything that I bought. And my reason, if I got, listen, I don't gotta defend myself to none of you, all right? You know, like, I'm not the best there ever was, but I know for doing this for so long that a lot of this stuff will sell. And most of you probably would never even buy this. So, I guess we'll start with the book since I'm the used book guy, quote unquote. A Knight in Shining Armor. $8.51. Sells once a month. Terrible, right? Terrible sell-through. Maybe I'll just debunk myself this whole time. Madeline Pendleton. I survived capitalism and all I got was this lousy t-shirt.
Death is a preferable alternative to communism.
Listen, capitalism's kind of why our businesses exist, right? Anybody can get out there and start a business and make a lot of money in this country. That's why we love America, right? Like, hey, there's nowhere else in the world you can do this type of stuff. This will sell instantly for $7.30 profit. Mere Christianity. This is one you see often in stores. This will sell the second it gets checked in. $10.44. No, we'll go $9.99. You actually make more money at $9.99 than $10.44. We'll make about $2, 2 and some change after our buy cost. Sells instantly, an instant $2 into your bank account. That's why I like doing these, so you guys can see like my thought process behind some of the risk I take. $5.74, Transforming Grace. This looks like an old crappy book, but it's Christian living, so. Project Management Essentials. 3rd edition. You guys know I don't mess with textbooks, but this is not one of the major publishers, and it's really not really a textbook. So this is sold once in the past 6 months. For 99 cents, we're not going at $29.99. We'll go down to $19.99. We'll make around probably $8 or $9. This will sell. Give people value. You don't always have to be a greedy bugger, and if you are a greedy bugger, that's probably why a lot of your stuff isn't selling. $29.99 doesn't mean it's going to sell for that, right? What is it sold for? I don't know. Is someone going to pay $29.99? Probably not, or it'll be selling more often. Migration from the Mexican Mixteca, I don't know, a transnational community in Oaxaca and California. $15.70 profit, no FBAs at all. Rhodesian Ridgeback Puppies, $6.61 profit. This sells once a week. I always like scanning survival guides for like puppies and cats because I got 4 cats and you need a survival guide. $4.38, no used FBA, easy peasy. We got a little bit of the vice president here. I didn't even realize this until just now. Kamala Harris, The Truths We Hold, An American Journey. Crazy politics, everybody's up in arms about this person, that person. It sells, I could care less. You gonna make me money? Sure. Then, you know, like, if I made the title of this, like, I made money off Kamala Harris, like, I would get 1 million comments, 1 million views, and everybody would just be, maybe that's what I should do. Maybe that's what I should do. And just deal with all the nonsense that'll be in the comments.
I don't know what's wrong with you young people. You think you just fell out of a coconut tree?
All right. EMDR, the breakthrough therapy for overcoming anxiety, stress, and trauma. Anxiety and stress, big part of my life. I hate dealing with them. How do I deal with it? I take CBD drops, right? This is stuff you can buy over the counter. It's pretty expensive, but it actually does help. Because if we got to drive somewhere far, all the crazies on the road, I take a few CBD drops. It helps me out. Books are real popular right now with anxiety. $8 profit. Extraordinarias. I talked about this before, right? Spanish books. This will sell instantly for $90. Project Unlonely. I got all you guys and girls, so I'm never lonely, right? Every day I get to log onto my computer. I got 5,000 DMs, 5,000 emails. Maybe the lonely life is the life I need to start working my way back towards, right? Now, I appreciate you all, and I love helping you guys out. 864. Undocumented Fears, Immigration and the Politics. You kind of can see here what's going on with the stuff we're finding. This sells once every 3 months. I think if we price this better, it will sell much faster. $17.99, maybe $18.99. Popup Books, Mr. Popper's Penguins. Popup Books do really well. Make sure they actually pop up, right? You know, like, make sure they're not all beat up and destroyed. Kids' books do good. I don't know why not. You all hate scanning kids' books, but I don't mind it at all. Be a Change Maker, $4.99 profit. Constructing Borders, Crossing Boundaries. This is way out of line here. I think $50 is way too much. $29.99, this will sell a lot quicker than the once every 6 months. Another Spanish book, I give up pronouncing them, but this one's showing no sales score. 3.7 million rank, it's not terrible, so it has sold at some point in its lifetime. I figure we're not going 20, we'll probably go $14.99. Broken Monsters, a killer who will tear you apart. I have no idea. $5.38 profit. Ceasefire, the story of a sniper who found life. $7.46. Women of the Bible, paperback, $5.71. No FBA for Moonshell Beach, a novel. When I was finished, all I wanted to do was walk barefoot on the beach with my best friend. That's pretty sweet. We'll probably price this $19.99. More, I mean, we got politics, we got hot topics of the nation, we got people versus Donald Trump, an inside account. Maybe that should be the topic. Who made me more money? Donald Trump or Kamala Harris? I think that's what we'll go with.
She's shocked that I picked her.
No.
She's like in a state of shock.
I'm not thinking, Mr.
That's
President.
okay. I know you're not thinking. You never do.
I'm sorry?
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Just to get all the clickbait out there. I don't know. But this will make it $3.73. Sells pretty often. Building on the strengths of students with special needs. $6.87. Nixon's war at home, more politics. We got somebody at $13.18. They don't know what they're doing. How do I know they don't know what they're doing? They are matching the lowest merchant here, $13.18, $13.18. If they were a member of the channel for $2.99, they would know, hey, let's not match, you know, the merchant here. Let's actually see what this book will sell for. FBA. The Nylon Book of Music, no FBA, $17.99. Will probably make around like $6-7 bucks. The Compassionate Connection, the healing power of empathy and mindful listening, $8.24. LifeWay Books, always great. They got the LifeWay logo down on the corner here. They're like study guides, right? So if they're written in, as long as the whole book isn't marked up, you're fine. This, you know, I would send it in, but I have so much of these in my area, and they're usually always profitable. No FBA, no new offers, 20 bucks guaranteed out the door. Fly fishing, I am not a big fisher. My dad's a huge fisher. I can't get into it. Growing up in the city, like, fishing wasn't even a thing. Guide to Childbirth, $3.99. This will sell the second it gets checked in. The War of Desire and Technology, no used FBA, $19.99. Let's skip through here. I know this one was a banger. This is the best item I found of the day here. $49.30. You do see we got people competing down with the merchant offers again. So you could go down. You know me, I want my money, right? I paid 99 cents. I'll go down and run around with the low ballers at 68. You could wait to 89. I don't think there's a right or wrong answer, honestly. But we still got a few more books, but let's get over to some of the DVDs and CDs, just so I can show you guys what we got. 99 cents a piece. What a steal of a deal. More fly fishing. It won't be $18. It'll be closer to $8 or $9 profit. Escape at Dan Moria? No idea. $8.45 profit. The Little Rascals. 99 cents for this 4-pack, right? Like $9.46 profit. 30-something, volume 2, brand new seal. $6 profit, right? Fast moving, low dollar stuff mixed in with some of the longer tail, high profit stuff. We got a ton of CDs as well. I Will Be Picky. We got a lot of new CDs as well, which is good. I always love new CDs. All the Best from Scotland. No new FBA. We'll probably do $17.99, make $10. Johnny Maddox, Red Hot Ragtime. Someone's in there at $29.80. We'll drop that down. Doesn't have a fast sell-through. We'll probably get $10 out of that one as well. Jekyll and Hyde. I've sold this one multiple times recently. For some reason, just keeps showing up. $9 profit. Tony Bennett. No used FBA, $17.99. Take your $10 and run. Lil' Kim. I've sold this one multiple times, $5.85. Last one I am going to choose is nothing from you. Camp Rock. Brand new sealed Camp Rock, Jonas Brothers. No used, or it's not used, no new FBA. $19.99. You probably could do $22.99, $24.99. Make sure you are not too greedy. Just sell the damn stuff. Having it sit there ain't gonna do you no good. At $22, $25, you probably make like $13. And that's everything. One stinky thrift store netted me all of this, right? This is well over a box and a half, a box and a quarter. I only need you to go to one thrift store once a week and just do this. That's it. Put an extra $200, $500 in your bank account every single month. That little bit of money adds up. It's going to get you to financial freedom. At the end of the day, money runs the world, right? Money is the root of all evil, but it's the root of a lot of happiness. You need to make money, and this is how easy it is. There's nothing easier than selling media on Amazon. I know he's not going to edit some cool exit.
I want you to know it's over.
Well, bye.
I got to walk around the table. But hey, I got all the bulk done. All them boxes are empty. We're ready to go. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more of these book videos. Bye-bye.